Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Loop's Dreamland. So guys, now finally we are going for that trip and now I am going to reveal it. We are going to Purulia. So I'll meet you in the station. So now we are in the station. Meet you in Purulia. Now finally we are in Purulia, meet you in hotel. So guys, now we are in our resort and she is my one friend. Hello. Now I am going to show you our resort. So guys, this is the entrance. So here are some of our rooms. And this is the hotel. This is the resort. So here is our one car and here is one park. Here we can play. Let me just show you this. So here are swings to swing. You can see, and here you can see, here is a little pond. You can see a little pond. I will throw my phone there. And now we are going to the tree house. So from that is the tree house, you can see. So now we are going to the tree house. The tree house is so beautiful. I'm going to show you. Let's see. Here are the stairs. And this is the tree house, you can see. Hi! From the tree house you can see like this. And this is the tree house. Let me show you the rooms. So here are the rooms. You can see this is the room. So this is the tree. And there are two chairs. Okay, so this was our resort. Hope you enjoyed this part also. So guys, as breakfast I will eat this cake and then we will go out. So now we will meet there. Okay guys, now we have came outside of our resort. And you can see we are going to Pakhi Pahar. Next we will meet at Pakhi Pahar. Okay guys, so now we are at Pakhi Pahar. You can see this is hilltop and we climb this much. So we will climb that also. I'll meet you in lunchtime. Okay guys, so for lunch we had this chicken thali. So, okay guys, so now we are at Khoira Bera Dam. You can see how beautiful it is. It is so beautiful. You can see how beautiful. That is the river and that is the hill. So here you can see the sunset. That is a dam. I don't know you can see or not, but that is the dam. We can see it. This is night time. That means our sleeping time. So now we will sleep and meet you the next morning. So
the next day.
Okay guys, good morning. So this is the last day of Purulia. So today we will also do many fun. So meet you where we are going next. We will also enjoy there. Okay guys, so this is one falls. I don't know the name, but this is Bamni Falls, I guess. This is Bamni Falls. You can see it is also so beautiful, and I also loved it very much. So you can also see how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful, and this is also so green. So you can see it. This is, I guess, the Marble Lake. Yes, this is the Marble Lake. It is also so beautiful, and that is the lake. These are the hills, and there are some marbles also. You can also see, I also loved it very much. That is the bridge, and this is the Marble Lake. And the Marble Lake is also so beautiful. Okay guys, so now we are at Upper Dam. This is the Upper Dam. You can see the Upper Dam it is. This is the Upper Dam. Upper Dam is also a very beautiful place. Now we will meet at the Lower Dam. The Lower Dam is also so beautiful, but this is the Upper Dam. It is also so beautiful. So now we are at Lower Dam. You can see it is. That is the lake, and this is the Lower Dam. And this is the road. So this much is our Purulia trip. Hope you enjoy.